kids, sing with me. Let's learn the sounds from A to Z. Let's sing together, A, B, C.
A is for apple. A, apple.
Apple. B is for ball. B, ball. C is for cat. C, cat. D is for dog. D, dog. E is for elephant. E, elephant. F is for fish. F, fish. G is for goat. G is for goat. G, goat.
H is for hat. H, hat.
I is for ice cream. E, cream. J is for jump. J, jump. K is for kite. K, kite. L is for lion. L, M is for monkey. M, monkey. N is for nest. N, nest. O is for octopus. O, octopus. P is for panda. P, panda.
Q is for queen. Q, queen bee.
R is for rainbow. R, rainbow.
S is for sun. S.
T is for train. T, train.
U is for umbrella. U, umbrella.
V is for violin. V, violin.
W is for whale. W, whale.
X is for xylophone. X, xylophone. Y is for yak. Y, hey yi. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. A to Z we learn today. Let's sing and laugh. Hooray, hooray.